Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open your App Store and install Google Authenticator on your phone. Launch the app and grant camera permission if you plan to scan a QR code. On the website or service you want to protect, sign in and open two-step verification settings. Choose the option to add an Authenticator app and follow prompts to view a QR code or a 16-character manual key. Keep the account page open so you can complete linking in the next step. Scan the QR code with the Authenticator camera to link your account. If you cannot scan, choose Enter a setup key and type the 16-character key manually. Confirm the account name so you recognize the entry later on the app. The Authenticator app will then display a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that 6-digit code back on the website to verify the link and finish setup. Whenever you sign in, open Google Authenticator and enter the 6-digit code shown. Codes are temporary and refresh every 30 seconds, so watch the countdown timer closely. If you will change or reset your phone, export accounts or save the website backup codes first. Store backup codes in a secure password manager or print and keep them offline. If you lose access, use backups to restore accounts and follow each service recovery process calmly and carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.